Through my efforts to video birds, I've tried to figure out ways to get them to come to my yard. Probably the best way to do that is to give them bird feeders. And I've tried a variety of bird feeders and bird food to see which ones do the best in getting the most variety of birds. I've basically settled on two feeders now. One is for typical bird seed, or in my case, I use sunflower seeds. The other one is a suet feeder. One of the aspects of these two feeders is it has a cage around them that lowers when a squirrel gets on it and prevents the squirrel from eating the food. Traditional bird seed has a lot of stuff in it that birds don't really eat well, and they just rake it out on the ground and pick through what they like. Birdseed manufacturers do that to save money on cost, and that's why birdseed can be less expensive. But I use shelled sunflower seeds, which isn't inexpensive, but it does get a lot of birds and a lot of diversity of birds to come to your feeder. So that kind of cuts down on the complexity of bird food that you can use and just get that one thing of shelled sunflower seeds. And the second thing that gets some birds that aren't as used to eating seeds is the suet feeder, and that'll get things like woodpeckers or nuthatches. So in summary, I basically have two feeders, one for shelled sunflower seeds and the other for suet. And I found that this setup gets me the most number of birds, but also the most different kinds of birds.